Goodyear rear wiper blades are designed to provide enhanced rear window visibility. This brief video will take you step by step through the removal and installation on vehicles with pinch tab rear wiper arms. To remove your current wiper blade, lift the wiper arm as high as it will go and pinch both tabs on the wiper blade. Rotate the bottom part of the wiper blade down so it disengages from the wiper arm. Attach the 7C adapter onto the end of the wiper arm until it locks into place. Push the wiper blade onto the wiper arm pin until it locks into place. Give the wiper blade a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Now, remove the plastic protector over the rubber by sliding it off the wiper blade, and finally, lower the wiper arm onto the windshield. That's it. You're done. You now have 360 degrees of superior visibility.